Today I'm excited to be showing you how to use our new custom layout wizard. From the home page, choose the type of book or album you'd like, then select your size and page options. While the layout wizard works great with themed layouts, I'm going to show you how to use the tool from scratch. To do this, click Create Now, import your photos, and proceed to edit. For the purpose of this tutorial, you can ignore the autofill option for now. Once the editor opens, navigate to the Layout tab in the left panel. You will need to select the numbered page from the bottom because layouts are not available for covers and in pages. Click Custom Layout Wizard, give your layout a name, select Page for a single side or Spread for both sides. Enter the desired rows and columns. Set the space between the photos. You can click the lock icon if you want the same space for both vertical and horizontal. Enter the grid margin to set the space on the outside of the layout. Again, you can click the lock if you want all the spacing to be the same. Please note that because of the trim area, the default is 0, which means that your images will bleed off to the edge. The minimum margin is ½ inch, which will place your images inside of the safe area. If this is confusing, you can rely on the preview on the right. You can also set a border if you like. The default is no border, and the minimum is 3 pixels. And it's in increments of 3, so 6, 9, 12, etc. As you're making adjustments, you can make note of the box size, which will adjust as you change the various settings. Once you're happy with your layout, click Save Custom Layout and create a new layout or go back to edit your book or album. In the editor, you will now see your saved layouts. The new saved layouts can be used for all future book and album projects for any size. Now simply drag the layout onto your pages and spreads. Changes made in the editor won't affect the saved layouts, but if you need to make a change, saved layouts can be edited by clicking the pencil icon. Layouts can also be deleted by clicking the trash icon. Keep in mind that you're not only deleting the layouts for just this project, but any layouts that are deleted will not be available for other books and albums that you make. Once the layouts are placed onto your book or album, you can manually drag photos onto the boxes or use the autofill tool, using the current photo layout option to automatically fill the photo boxes. If you plan on reusing this design, you can easily turn it into a template by going to the My Project section available in the top left. Find your project and click the copy icon. Name your new project and click Copy. Click Edit and Order and open the copied project. Click Clear All Photos, then Delete Unused. You now have a template that can be used for future projects. I like to make a few versions with different amount of photo boxes and name them accordingly, so I can easily select the template based on the amount of photos I have. With our new layout wizard, you can now create, save, and reuse custom layouts to make every project a breeze.